How to fix Windows 11 taskbar not working. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Task Manager. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer. If you don't find Windows Explorer in all this list, simply click on Windows and E button. Then it will open this File Explorer. Simply minimize it, then you'll find Windows Explorer pop up. Click on that, then click on Restart. After it's restarted, you can simply restart your PC as well, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix Windows 11 taskbar not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.